Next topic, the anti-partitions movement. So the partitions divide into two parts in Bengal. So occur in 1905, and the cancellation of partition of Bengal 1911. In this movement, the anti-partitions movement, the mainly for the with the failure of the annul, the partitions moderate leaders. So the two important leaders, one is the moderate, another one is the extremist. So moderate the giving the petitions to the British government, the extremist the violent, using the violent. In this method, so the moderate the change of the activities. The after the partition of Bengals, with the failure of annul, the partisan's moderate leaders were forced to rethink the tragedy. To force to rethink how to solve the problem. Rethink the tragedy, and took the for new technique of protest. The moderate leader using in the new technique the protest against the British government, and the agenda of the Swadeshi movement was still restricted to the secure the annulment of the partitions. After the moderate leaders using the Swadeshi movement, the boycotted the foreign goods. And using the Swadeshi movement mainly for for new techniques of the protest, the boycott of the British goods with one such a method. So one of the important method is restricted or prohibited the foreign goods or European goods, the British goods, and using the Swadeshi methods, Swadeshi movement, using the Swadeshi movement should the restricted to secure the annulment, restricted to secure the annulment of the partitions, and the moderate were very much against utilizing the campaigns. So moderate against the British for the partition of Bengal. So another one is the campaigns they start a full-fledged to passive resistance. The passive resistance, the full-fledged, the Tivramaha. So full-fledged, the passive resistance, the militant nationalists on the other hand, in favor of extending movement, boycott of Bengal, the initial full scale of mass struggles. So the boycotted of the foreign goods mainly for Bengals. This is a massive struggles. So another one is for the importance. This day, the partition of Bengal day. This day of Bengal was officially partitions on 16th October 1905. The partition of Bengal's 16th October 1905 as this day of the mournings. That means mainly for sorrow. That is another meaning is sorrow. Sorrow of the mourning is a sorrow. Another one is the main things is thousands of the peoples took the path in the Ganga and the march to the street the Kolkata. The singing of the Vande Mataram. So another theme is mainly the march to the against the partition of Bengals, the Ganga to the Kolkata, street of the Kolkata, the singing of Vande Mataram. So next one topic is the boycott and Swadeshi movement in Bengal. Boycott Swadeshi movement in Bengal. So the next topic, boycott and Swadeshi movement in Bengal. The boycott and Swadeshi movement in Bengal. The partition of Bengal 1905 and the cancel of the partition of Bengal in 1911. So the boycott and Swadeshi movement were always the interlinked. Always the interlinked that to change other part of the wider plan. Part of the wider plan to make an India the self-sufficient. The self-sufficient that means a podumana alavu. So the India is self-sufficient. The four importance mainly for four major trend on be described by during the Swadeshi movement of Bengal. The four importance point. One is the moderate trend. Moderate trend. Second one is the constructive Swadeshi. So these are the ideas of the rejected the foreign goods. First one is moderate trend and constructive Swadeshis, militarist nationalisms. Next one is revolutionary tradition. That these four is the important one. The moderate trend, constructive Swadeshi, militant nationalisms and revolutionary tradition. Next topic, the constructive Swadeshi movement. Constructive the Swadeshi movement, that means the constructive programs largely trusted upon self-help. Largely trusted upon the self-help. Another one is the largely self upon the Swadeshi movement, self-help and Swadeshi. Another one is mainly for the it focused on buildings. It focused on buildings, alternate institutions of self-governance that could operate the free to British control. Free to British control. Another one is meaning is the self-governance that could operate the free of British goods. The sum of the British goods for this mainly for the Swadeshi shop sparing all over the place, the selling the textiles. The first one is textiles. Second one is handlooms. Third one is soap. Fourth one is earthenware. Fifth one is matchboxes. Another one is leather goods. These are the very important for the constructive Swadeshi movement. Thank you.